So looking at gold on the weekly time frame, and this is, if you look at this from here, this is the weekly high, which also corresponds to this price difference. So the difference between this high, this one here, and then this low, it's here. So these are the three areas we shall be looking for trades. So now the next thing we want to do is we want to just look for whether the structure is going to change. Because if this market holds, if the market holds here, then we can be bearish. But then if it is broken, then we can head back to these other highs here. So with that being said, the next thing you need to know is to be able to see whether there is a structural change here, where the market is beginning to create lower lows and higher highs. For you to see clearly, you just need to come to a lower time frame. And we can just come straight to the 1 hourly time frame. So on the 1 hourly time frame, this is what we had marked as our weekly. This is what we had marked as our weekly price difference. And this is the area we're looking for trading opportunities. And then this is the weekly low. So now, from here, you already have an area of potential resistance or weekly price difference. That means now the next thing we need to see for us to be able to trade is whether the market is actually beginning to break structure. So that means this will become our low, our high. Okay, that is like our higher high. This is our high, which is in this resistance here. And we want to see if price breaks these lows, and then we can have that move to the downside. But if price doesn't break these lows here, then we can, if it breaks that and then does that, then we can look for these buying opportunities to the upside. So this is the only move we shall be monitoring today throughout this week and see whether we can have a break of this low. So there are two things which are going to happen here. Either price comes back to this area here to retest this and then comes back down, breaking this and giving us the good trading opportunity to be able to take it to these other lows here, or else price breaks above this and continues. So this is the only move we want to see. So we're not going to do a lot of things apart from watching these moves here, okay? So just to simplify the whole thing, we want to trade, especially if this is broken, then we can have that bearish move. Or else if the market does this and breaks above, we can have that bullish move. But this resistance area is what holds price for now. So let's monitor how market is going to play out throughout the week for this.